In this presentation, we're going to study the pronunciation of family members' vocabulary. If you can see here, you have the Spanish translation for each one of the words. In this column, you have family members that are feminine, and in this column, you have their equivalent masculine term. So we're going to go over each one of them and the pronunciation. The first one is mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, daughter, son, sister, brother, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, cousin, cousin, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, parents, grandparents, children, grandchildren, siblings, only child, girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, husband. So we'll study the pronunciation and go over each term several times. Study also the Spanish meaning.